Dear friends, welcome back. Just a bit earlier, I have already uploaded one video of this machine, Temple of Doom. As you can see over here, this one, this link will be put into the description section below. So if you want entire video with this machine, you can check it out yourself with the link below. However, in this video, I'm going to record. I'd like to showcase how to manually exploit the vulnerability of Node.js Express framework. You know, this framework has one sort of vulnerability, or we can call it deceleration vulnerability. You know, this vulnerability can allow hacker to pass malicious data or malicious payload to one function. The function is unserialized. Sorry, I cannot pronounce clearly, but I think you have already got my idea. Okay, so if the untrusted or malicious data is passed into this function, and this untrusted data like reversal command would be executed. So in last video, I utilized one Python script to automate this process of exploitation. But again, in this video, I'd like to manually exploit this vulnerability. And as you can see here, this website is very good resource when you try to exploit this vulnerability or deceleration vulnerability of the Node.js Express framework. And the link will be put into the description section below as well. So I think what we are going to do now, we just copy. So we need to build the payload. So how to do? We can, which one? So we can copy the payload. And paste over here. And this is the cookie. Of course, if you have already watched my last video, you know that intentionally here the double quote is missing. We need to add the double quote to make this object or this data to work. Okay, I've already appended this double quote. Okay, so how to do? We can, and the next we can, of course, we can. There be different options. We can, replace the malicious payload to the admin value, or maybe we can, we can, sorry, we can add one more key value pairs. Based on my practice, both way can work, no problem. So in this video, I'd like to demonstrate the first way. I'd like to replace the admin value of the key username by the malicious payload. So how to do? And we can, we need, of course, we need to, I think we do not need to use the backward slash. Okay, and the command should be modified to the reversal command. You can go to the Pentest Monkey website. You can copy the reversal command and put over here. We need to do some modification. The IP address should be put into the field of attacking machine, and the port number will be 555. You can choose any port number what you wish. Any free or open for, sorry, not open, free port number on the Linux. So now we can copy this reversal command and put in here. Okay, so I think that's it. And we need to copy. I think we can copy from this to the end. Copy and replace the admin. Okay. So now, what are we going to do next? We need to copy this, this object, the JSON data, and now we can go to the subchapter to, to encode. We can put over here, and the first layer or first operation would be base 64, and also we need to use the URL encode as operation. The second operation, we can copy, and of course we need to set up the listener on the Kali Linux, and next we can remove the original value of the cookie, put over here, and then we can press enter. As you can see, we successfully got a reversal command executed, or in other words, we successfully got the initial foothold on the target. So this is, I'm going to, of course, also we can use it this way. If you go back to this website, and we can use this script, this Node JS shell Python script, and you can get it from the GitHub, and then you can use this script to generate the payload, the reversal payload, and you can copy, and of course the IP address should be changed to meet your own actual environment, and then we can copy the entire. Similarly, we can copy the entire payload to the cookie, the cookie, and also this way can work, no problem. So that's pretty much it I'd like to showcase in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.